Hey everyone, I'm Scripps. Today's video is about me developing film and then taking pictures of the film negatives, converting them into digital files. It worked out way better than I thought. This is the jankiest rig you've probably ever seen, but the results are absolutely incredible. I'm so happy with how it turned out. Thanks for checking this video out, and I'll see you guys later on. All right, so I just got to the mall where I got some photos developed. Excited to go see them. I'm just getting the digital negatives, and I'm going to use my camera later to take pictures of that. So I'll take you along for the process and show you how that goes.
Got 4 rolls and just develop only. Okay.
Yeah, cool. Thank you.
Thanks so much.
Cool. All right, so I got them back from, what's this place called? Milton Photo. Shout out those guys. I might have made a rookie mistake and I asked them not to cut it, so that might make it way trickier later on. We'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna open up one of them and see. Let's see, which one? 24. I wanna look at the Kodak, because very warm scenes in Colombia, and so Kodak probably looks really good. The other rolls that I shot were some Fujifilm, so we'll see. Ooh. Oh, I see. Interesting. It's just like rolled up in the canister. Cool. Well, make sure not to touch too much of it. Interesting. Oh, what in the hell? Some of this is from my backyard. Maybe that's what I did to just finish it off. Oh, my girlfriend. Oh, cool. Okay, so this is mainly my house. Oh, that's Applebee. Same. What else? Yeah, Applebee. Oh, butterfly. Okay. Oh, lordy. Let me try another one. This is actually pretty cool. They look good. I mean, they're just negatives right now, but see, it's easy to get back in this sucker. Oh, no problem. What about this one? This one's Fujifilm, so let's see. Oh, come on, you all gotta come. Nope, that works. Yeah, totally. This is Colombia. Heck yeah. Oh, when we were driving, yeah. Oh, neat. These are gonna look so good. Little gin and tonic action. Ooh, at the gym. Heck yeah. Oh, so fired up about this. It just rolls itself back up. That's what's going to be an issue, is if I should have got them to cut it. Oh no. All good. I can watch some videos on how to do that. Yeah, I'll just have to make sure it's like I don't cut off any photos. Oh, that's awesome though. Well, it's nice to know I know how to expose my photos. Let's go! Alright, well, I'm actually going to my buddy's farm right now, but later on, when I get back home, I'll set up my cameras and I'll walk you through the process of how I'm gonna figure out doing this. I don't even have a light table. I'm probably just gonna use my iPad with like a white screen and then like somehow lay it flat and like put some weights on it. We'll see. It's gonna be a very trial and error. I don't even have a macro lens either, so yeah, we'll see. I got the negative, so eventually when I got a better system for doing this, then I'll be able to actually get good results, but fired up about it. So thank you, Milton Photo Source, for developing them. Next time I'm gonna ask you to cut them as well. Heck yeah. Okay, well, This is gonna be probably the most janky setup for doing this you've ever seen. It's the first time I've ever done it, so hopefully this works. First thing I gotta do is cut the film. I didn't get them to cut it when they developed it. Don't ask me why. Rookie move. Never doing that again. So I gotta cut it myself. I've got this board that I can use, so I'm gonna get started on that. All right. Let's turn this off for now. Okay. So we'll start with this roll. Also gotta think, this is gonna be my laying piece. How many do I want to do at a time? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do 4 at a time. It's probably not best, but gotta do what I gotta do. Alright, first cut, here we go. Okay, now I'm going to use my tripod upside down, mount my camera to it, which I might need to turn the base plate in order to do this. How the hell do you have it pointed straight down? Yikes. Okay, I'm gonna turn this around. Alright, that looks pretty good. Okay. What is it, too close now? Way the hell down. I'm gonna try. How about that? Okay, well, surprisingly enough, I just uploaded 2 of the images, those first 2 that I took, and it kind of worked. I mean, they don't look great. There's not a lot of detail. The contrast is terrible. They just look very hazy, but like it worked. So I'm on to something. All right, so it's the next day. I ended up doing quite a bit more of it after I recorded the majority of that video. Some things that I changed, I ended up putting tape on the bottom of the 2 rolls of film that were like used as the lift so that the film wasn't directly against the iPad, because otherwise you'd see the pixels, which helped because like when I was sliding the film along, I'd have to adjust these every single time so that they wouldn't just like slide away. The other thing is like I stopped cutting the film. I'm glad I didn't cut all of them at the same time, because just having this laid out and then like pulling it through slowly worked out way better, and I was able to get more photos with each roll. Because not actually having a film holder and just using this little cutout that I made, it meant that like when I got to the end of the roll, the last photo on either end, I couldn't actually get a photo of them because I couldn't keep them on this thing properly. So it worked out best when I like, had these taped down and then just didn't cut the roll. I also noticed that they look really good in black and white. They're all color photos. I didn't shoot, none of these rolls that I got developed were black and white. But when I switched them to black and white in editing, they looked really good. There was even more detail than what the color came up with. So I'm not too sure how I can work around that and deal with the color. Not too worried about it because I love the results that came about. They actually, it's neat. So I didn't do any cropping towards the end of it. Like I just kept them where you can see the film strip like this. Let me zoom in a little bit. Where you can see the film strip, and like I love it. I think it looks so cool. It really gives people like a sense of like, oh, these are actually film photos. Like maybe you could be like, oh, he probably faked it with like the little bit of grain and stuff like that, but I think they look so cool. I am so fired up about this. Like I'll put these on the video for you guys so you can scroll through them, but I gotta go the other way. Ooh. They look so sick. I am so fired up about this. Like this is my buddy's. Like this one the color looks incredible, but like so cool. Yeah, you can kind of tell like the black and white looks really good. Little shadow. It's got that blue tint to it. And like I have the white balance, the blue set all the way over. It's kind of interesting because when you're editing them, because these are negatives, everything in the software becomes reversed. So when you use your tone curve and you take the blacks and you bring them all the way to the top and the whites all the way at the bottom, if you want to make an S curve, you do the S the opposite way. And then same with like the exposure, the highlights. If you want to like bring the exposure up, you like move it on the down slide. It's kind of interesting. I didn't really realize that until I started doing it, but it worked out. Yeah, so I don't know. I'm actually really fired up about this. It's definitely something I'm gonna do again. I'm like honestly considering going back to PhotoSource and getting more film developed. I did actually just ask my mom for Christmas for like a film developing kit so I can do it myself. Hopefully I don't ruin any of the film because there's a lot. I have a bag. Probably shouldn't just keep it in this leather bag, but I've got like rolls and rolls of film. Just so much film. 4 in here. I think there's 30 rolls. So however many photos that is, it's been taking photos over the last 4 years with 2 different film cameras. There's one of them here. It's a Pentax MV. This one's from 1978, 79, somewhere around there. And then I have a Canon AT1. It's not an AE one, it's an AT1. Which I think this one's better, honestly. Like the power switch is nice. It's cool. I love these things. So yeah, fired up about that. Also stay tuned because my uncle is letting me use his Mamiya 645. So I'm going to put a few rolls of 120 film through that while he lets me use it. But overall, so stoked about this. If you want to see more videos like this, just let me know. I'm going to try and document this every single time I do it because this is awesome. Fired up about it. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Even with like the way they look, I know it's not the full photo, but it worked. So happy. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like and subscribe, and let's get this channel going.